Brother, I go say this, and you see when me say this, me know no founder not go agree with me. You see me I say, no founder not go feel the same way how me feel, or no founder go say a foolishness me a chat. But you see, the Jamaica versus Curacao match, I know you play them fault. If it is up to the player them alone, let's say for example, both team never have no coach, and it did leave up to the player them alone, Jamaican would have win the match there. Jamaica would have win the match there. You see me I say? Brother, the player them give them all, brother. The player them fight, you see me I say? It was a team set up, a team just set up for them lose, you know? Jamaica have a Curacao have a system. Them have attack, them have play with tactics. Me no see a tactics for Jamaica play with. The man them just a kick up the ball. So, you know what I say? Brother, I would blame none of them man them last night. All of them. All of them man them play good, brother. Are they coach, yeah? Anyhow, Jamaica did have a better coach. Jamaica gone through the World Cup without no problem, with easy. You see me I say? Cruise through. You see me I say? Cause we have a player, we have a talent, you know? We have whole heap of talent out on the field. You see me I say? And another thing, me not too long see a post where a man a blame. A man pick out the one man. Out every man in the squad. The man pick out the one man. And the one man when the man pick out they will start. And I put blame upon him. And I say man have ego and them sitting there, you know. Dream a play for certain club in a over so, you know. So the man have ego and them thing there. And the man fi drop ego and something. You see me I say? And I say, him not all that a links make him reach certain place and them there. But brother, come on. This man didn't even start the match. This man a literally when a man play a least minute on the field and you pick him out. Out every man, you decide say, yeah, I'm gonna pick him out and put the blame on him. You know? For sure, your brother, some people just not rate the youth, you see me I say? Some people just not rate the youth, them pick him out and I put blame on him and them thing there. You see? Another thing too. Sometimes I have to wonder man if a man them a response for picky coach for Jamaica, them they really do them research man who them a bring in a team, you know? Who them a bring to come coach them side and them there. You see me I say, me have to really wonder. Or me have to wonder if nobody else better than him they want the job. Like are them and the youth are in them only option. The Steve McLaren or whatever you want name. I did them only option. You see me I say? Cause the same brother you know. In a 2008. And another thing too is that you see Steve McLaren give away chance from a player Trinidad. You see me I say? Trinidad game should have be a game where we should have aim say, yeah, we have to win the one yeah. Cause come on, easier game. You see me I say? You see farmer Curacao in now. Curacao, bro, come on, we should have definitely beat Trinidad. Once we did beat Trinidad, you know. And them boy come and yard, you know. And we jar them. And we da gone through, you know. You see me I say? And we da gone through. So, him and them sell the game from the Trinidad game. That should have been a must win match, but it's like something different that I got through Steve McLaren head. Cause me I see man a give man them first start in a this a match. Man, you can't say man never take a match important. You cannot give man when you don't know play for you never play for your teammate and you just get called up and you give him minutes in them the important match. The other man where you know at prime time. Come on. What you do? And another thing too, yo, every Jamaicans we watch football, for glad say we have Andre Blake. You see me I say? Every Jamaicans for glad say we have Andre Blake. You see if I never see Andre Blake, oh boy, trust me. One never see save them my man make. And and I just know. You see me I say? And I just know Andre Blake a save Jamaica. Over a decades now, trust me. He may one of the best player for Jamaica. He may actually best player for Jamaica over decades now, trust me. We goalkeeper. You see me I say? That man is a true captain. You see me I say? He is a true leader. Not only save them, but if you not pre-match, when I'm talking to teammate them and thing, you see me I say? I talk to him teammate them and think that one's a true captain. Him deserve a armband, you see me I say? Anyways, me see the list here go on. It a say reasons we didn't qualify for the 2026 World Cup. You see me I say? So them have a list. You see me I say? 20 something up on the list. And them I say they say reasons. Cause more than one reason why we don't qualify for the 2026 World Cup. Alright, I'm gonna show on it. I'm gonna read it to you. So at number one, them put Steve McLaren. Yeah, me agree with that. Cause me say it earlier in the video. Me agree with that. Number two, the ref in the match against Morocco. Yeah, to be honest, we get some decision against we where would say a unfair decision. You see me I say? But that still not change the fact say we need a player with no good tactics. You see me I say? That not change the fact say we don't have no good coach. If that not change the fact say if we did have a good coach, what me try to say is that not change the fact say if we didn't have a better coach than Steve McLaren, would have still do better. Wonder hope you get what me try to say. Me a mix up, yes me I say. Hope you get what me try to say. And at number three, them have Whisper. You see me I say, as me I mentioned earlier in the video. Me not see how them have Whisper upon the list here, to be honest. You see me I say, me not see how them have Whisper upon the list here when a man ever start. You see me? But anyways, you know, some people just not like you would, you see me I say, but either way. At number four, we have Hurricane Melissa. Okay, them people must say Hurricane Melissa one a reason. At number five, we have Andrew. We have Andrew Holness. Yeah, you know, my prime minister. You know, Jamaican stay. Them not like take responsibility. So anything that in them personal life, them blame Andrew Holness. So I'm not surprised to see him there. So you see me I say Bombard. At number six, we have Jamaica Constabulary Force. You see me I say. At number seven, we have Trinidad and Tobago. You see me I say. At 8, we have Boza. At 9, we have Lambikiza. I can't call him name, yeah. At number 10, we have Iwater. Number 11, we have Leon Bailey. Number 12, after them put the ref again. The ref in the match against Morocco. Oh, so in the panny two. Yeah, me agree. In the panny two time. At number 13, we have John Russell. At number 14, we have VAR. You see what I say? At number 15, we have the Hotel Cracker Footballers Stayed. At number 16, we have Bamsey Grange. At number 17, we have everybody and the team expect Kaim Dixon. At number 18, we have National Stadium. At number 19, we have people who went to the match because they have FOMO, fear of missing out. At number 20, yeah, him deserve the panelist 3 times for two. The ref in the match against Morocco. Is I. You see me I say? Well, that is it, people. Let me know what you think, you know. Everybody have them personal opinion. You can't kill a man for him opinion. So, let me know if you want to opinion in the comment section. You know, tomorrow. Stay blessed.